look at in here some of the things that we do, knowingly or unknowingly, that contributes to the climate change. If you are not using solar, all the generators are emitting all this alternate source of. In my apartment, sometimes when I hear it, the next thing that comes to my mind is, oh my God, when they are testing it on Saturday, and then I say, oh my God, contribution to climate change again. So whether knowingly or unknowingly, we are increasing this. When you park your car and decide to use the public transport, you are helping to check climate change. Solar panels, when you use solar as a form of other sources of electricity generation, you are helping to work on this. And you can see the health and developmental impact of the change. Increase in allergies. What is not added here? Okay, extreme heat. I was going to talk about heat stroke. How many of you felt it in April in the Philippines here? You did. Thank you. Please clap for her. She volunteered to say, I felt it. Okay. We all felt it. The number, even at my floor, I could feel the increase in the vector density. Mosquito. It may not be mosquito, but something else. Insect. Allergy. Cardiovascular diseases. Vector ecology. Because of the increase, they tend to change their behavior. Many of them, we could say, yes, they don't go beyond so level, but with climate change, they also must survive. So they go to higher levels to survive. So when you are playing in the evening or the afternoon, you feel it. So these are the effects of climate change. The reference I used is here. Please feel free to. And we are talking about effect that could be in the atmosphere as it is highest level in 2 million years. That is how far things have gone really, really bad. I'm conscious of my time. If you want to measure the changes in the adverse condition as a result of climate change, check in the poles. The Arctic pole and then the Antarctica. It's worse in the Arctic more than the Antarctica. The tipping point accelerates warming through natural earth systems and once triggered become extremely difficult to stop. Why is it difficult? First, many people, including yours sincerely, did not believe in climate change many years ago. So, you're not believing it is part of the problem we're talking about here. But we know better. In the last 10 years, we know better. And we all must do something about it. You have the figures, 3 degrees Celsius. You might think this is not much, but in terms of the impact, it can be very, very phenomenal. There was a meeting recently, and WHO had published this particular one. Canary means a set of birds that are in the forest. What they do is that when unwanted individuals come around their environment, they come closer to the people to whisper. They sing a lot, this group of birds. So that's why it is called, it's an idiomatic expression to say that this, we have warning, we have serious adverse effect coming around us. And it is very important, where is WMO? Please next time invite WMO, especially when a topic like this is involved. Thank you. So that is it. You can see this is becoming this. Dry woods. Instead of green, you can see desertification. And before you know it, in another like 5 years, this forest is also gone. How about being specific now to